The new Huawei Band 9 is finally here. Let's check it out. I got mine in the white version. So this is the model number here, back of the box here, and it works with iPhones and Androids. Let's take it outside. And this is the watch itself. So you got some plastic protector on the top here. In the box you also get your charger, your warranty card, and also some manual quick start guide. Let's take off the protector. And this is what it looks like. It's fully white with a white body here and white button and also a golden accent. So this is what the strap looks like, and this is the mechanism for the strap. And also you got fairly nice buckle here as well. And this is what it looks like on the back. We do get this quick release mechanism for the straps, also the standard pin charger. Design wise it looks very similar to the Huawei Watch Fit 2. As you can see, similar design, but the Huawei Watch Fit 2 is slightly wider with a bigger screen, and this is more compact. Let's turn it on and set it up. Okay, all set up, and it looks very nice indeed. And this is what it looks like on my wrist, and I do have fairly small wrists, so it will fit pretty much any person. So very good adjustments. And I must say that the strap indeed is extremely nice on this watch actually, and it feels very soft and actually very premium. It has very pleasant feel as you touch it basically, and it feels extremely nice when you put it on your hand. And also the buckle is of very good quality. It's nothing like on those cheap Xiaomi products where it's very hard to put on. This is very good quality compared to the Xiaomi stuff. Overall, I really like the design of this band, as it looks very premium actually, especially considering it's such a cheap device. Also, the visibility of the screen in the outdoors, is also fairly decent. And I'm really glad I actually got this white version, because I think it's really the best version they have. Okay, let's check out all the functions of this tiny cool watch. So, as you can see, you got quite a lot of info on the main screen here, and you can also fully customize this. You can press and hold on that watch face basically, and then press this tiny button here. By the way, you do have several different watch face here installed by default. So these are some of the watch face you got here, and you can obviously go to your phone and download even more, but you can also customize this watch face here. So, and the customization, from what I see, is actually very good. For example, you can change to whatever things you really need. And also, as you can see, these are the things we can add here. And it even can add timer and stopwatch. For example, on this Huawei Watch Fit 2, we couldn't add the timer and stopwatch and the torch shortcuts basically on the main screen. So this is actually improved, and yeah, very nice. So let's set this timer. Okay, confirm, and then we can also press on any of these icons to go directly to this stuff. So this is what the timer would look like. You can start the timer, and your timer will basically be here in all these open menus. It shows here. So it doesn't show the remaining time for the timer on the main screen, or you can still see here. Then when we press this button here, basically we can get access to all these menus and widgets. So let's go through what we got. Okay, so you see quite a lot of things. You can start your workouts here. Different types of workouts basically. So it should have tons of different workouts. Okay, the timer's up, and for timer it vibrates. Okay, as you can see, there are different, you can add even more. So I guess I don't know, must be like 100 different workouts. So pretty cool. And to go back, we can swipe like this on the left side. Then when we swipe down, we can get these like quick shortcuts to some things, like adjusting some settings, maybe even turn on the torch and stuff like that basically. Also enable the sleep mode. Then when we swipe like this, we can get access to all these different tiles here. You can check your health stats. So you obviously need to wear your watch for some time for that stuff to come in. You can see your heart rate graph as you will wear it over time, basically. Your resting heart rate. Then also you got your step count, and actually you can see the notification received. So you can even like reply it with like some emoji, I think, and it will be sent to that sender. By the way, that was some WhatsApp notification I got. So we got this step count there. Okay, you can see your today's steps, distance, your... Okay, so as you can see, he wasn't, he was, yeah, he didn't know what that emoji means, basically. So some exercise goals, your standing goals, and you can even edit your goals here. Then also you can start your exercise here from these. Okay, let's start an exercise. So this is what it would look like. You can also control your music while you're exercising. And to stop it, I guess you have to press this button here. Okay, let's end it. And also you'll see your sleep stats here as you basically wear your watch during the sleep. And yeah, that's it. Then also when we swipe like this, you can get access to the notifications here. So you can see I have received some WhatsApp notifications, and this is how they would look like basically. And you can also delete him. And this weather app also actually looks pretty good. So let's check it out. You can see your conditions for the hours, for different days, your sunrise and sunset, moon phases, tides. So very, very detailed. And then let's check out the app. So this is the Huawei Health app, and again this works on Android and iPhones. You can download the Watchface here even more. There are a lot of free Watchface we can install. So absolute loads of Watchface. So, and it's still loading something. So insane amounts of Watchface. So very cool. And also you can customize various things here. You can even find your device. So it starts to vibrate like crazy, and yeah, pretty cool. Okay, then also you can customize like these quick replies, so you can actually reply to the notifications, and you can add your own here. So 36 letter limit, but still pretty good. Then also some other device settings here. And this is what the health side looks like. You can see your basically your like what have you done, basically how many steps you have done in various days, like exercise records, like you can track your heart rate, your sleep quality, your weight, so your SpO2 as well. This can track it as well as appears like a stress as well. So that's very cool actually, and very impressive. By the way, this Band 9 does not have inbuilt GPS, so we actually want to use GPS. You have to have your phone along with you on your walk or run basically, so that's only negative. Overall, this Huawei Band 9 actually looks pretty good, and I didn't thought it will be that good considering the price point of this. And again, this Huawei Watch Fit 2, for example, has GPS, but this device is literally 3 times more expensive than this one. And they do like most of the functions anyway the same. And make sure to subscribe, because I will be testing this device, and I will test the step count accuracy, heart rate and everything else. Because if it's just as good as this Huawei Watch Fit 2 watch, and if this Band 9 can actually do the health tracking just as good as the Huawei Watch Fit series, then this band actually is insane value for money. Because the for example, the step count tracker on the Huawei Watch Fit is incredibly good and literally the best in the world, along with Samsung. It's even better than Apple and even better than Garmin and Fitbit. So it's extremely good. Also, the sensors such as heart rate on this Huawei Watch Fit also are incredibly good. So if this is just as good, then I'll be very impressed. Anyway, make sure to subscribe and like if this was helpful.